In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find editor's pick on Walmart 2026. First, open your web browser and head to walmart.com. Give the homepage a moment to load so all the navigation elements appear. You don't need to sign in for this, but being logged in can help tailor availability and pricing to your location as you browse. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the very top left area of the screen. That's where Walmart keeps its main navigation. You'll see a button labeled Departments. This is your starting point for exploring categories across the site, and it's the quickest route to curated collections. Click Departments. A large menu will open with many choices. From this list, select clothing, shoes, and accessories. Editors' picks for fashion live inside this category, so choosing it takes you to the right area without having to search manually. If the menu scrolls, just move down until you see it and click. Inside clothing, shoes, and accessories, look for the editor's picks option. It may appear alongside other subcategories or promotional collections. Click editor's picks to open a curated selection chosen by Walmart's editorial team. This page highlights trending items and notable finds, which makes it a great place to start if you want inspiration rather than hunting for a specific product. Now you can browse the editor's picks page, scroll through the featured products, and when something catches your eye, click through to view details like sizes, colors, materials, and delivery options. If you prefer to compare a few items, open them in new tabs so you can switch back and forth without losing your place. To narrow things down, use the filters on the page. Filters help you refine the list so you see only what fits your needs. Start with brand if you have a favorite label in mind. Selecting one or more brands quickly focuses the results on items you're more likely to love. If you change your mind, you can clear or adjust those brand selections at any time. Next, refine by price. Set a range that matches your budget so you're browsing options that make sense for you. Adjusting the price filter is especially helpful when the collection includes everything from basics to premium pieces. Remember, you can combine brand and price filters together for more precise results. And of course, you can always skip filtering and simply browse. Take your time. Scroll through the curated picks and explore what stands out. That's all there is to it. Go to Walmart, open departments, choose clothing, shoes, and accessories, click editor's picks, then browse or filter by brand and price. Enjoy discovering your next great find.